Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush the Discover Boss, and it's Rush for more reviews. So we're here on Seymour Avenue, right in front of Zen at Seymour. This is an apartment complex that I did a video on before. I'll put the link in the description and in the comments. So we're on Seymour Avenue, making an update on 22 Seymour. That's a new townhouse, luxury townhouse development. So that's what we're taking an update look on today. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Just touch that, press that subscribe button. So if the subscribe button is still red, just press it, turn it gray, and join the Rush for More Reviews family. And again, subscribing doesn't cost, it's completely free. Remember to like the video, share as well, that will help new persons see the channel. And definitely leave a comment what you think about this new townhouse development, luxury townhouse on 22 Seymour. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well. So 22 Seymour Avenue, luxury townhouse development. So we'll take a closer look soon as well. Seymour Avenue still has a lot of potential for even more development, because in front of these two apartment complex, let me show you, there are two very big empty land just waiting to be developed. So one is completely empty and one has an abandoned house. So a lot more development is waiting for Seymour Avenue. What I want to do as well, guys, is to give one of my fellow YouTubers a shout out. He does similar vlogs, similar videos in Barbados. So he do driving videos, construction updates, different real estate developments. So if you're from Barbados, please check out his channel, and even if you're not, you can still check out his videos as well. So whenever you travel to Barbados, you can, whenever you travel to Barbados, you'll be able to use his videos as a guide in terms of some of the places of interest. Alright, so the name of his channel is Dan Royd Moore, DanRoydMoore, Dan Royd Moore, and he's in Barbados. So I'll put the link in my description. So go over, subscribe, show him some support, let him know that Rush for More Reviews sent you. And again, it's similar vlogs, but only in Barbados. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cross the road, show you this side. So again, guys, leave your thoughts in terms of Seymour Avenue and in terms of this luxury townhouse development that's happening right now. Alright, so Vertusa is the contractor. And again, it's 22 Seymour Avenue, luxury townhouse development. They have pool and other amenities as well. And then you have the beautiful house in the hills as a backdrop. And I think ZD is doing the construction, and Valerie Levy is the realtor. I'm gonna take a shot from the back as well so you guys see another angle. So 22 Seymour Avenue, luxury townhouse development. It's on the way for completion. Virtus has really been doing a good job in terms of some of these designs. They have designed a lot of these houses, like Dream 36, Parkhurst 1, just to name a few. Alright, so this is another look. This is the back of the Townhouse complex. Just showing you guys how far down it comes. So that's the entire length of the property. So it'll be 2 stories townhouse, and then another vacant lot behind. So still a lot more development waiting. Alright guys, so 22 Seymour Avenue, luxury townhouse development. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of Zen at Seymour, a completed and a fully occupied apartment complex, and then we just basically close off the video. So thanks for watching. Definitely leave your comments and remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free, and like the video as well.